Hey guys, it's me, Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. As you can see, it's round 50 of birthday packaging unboxings. This time it's from Domenica, and I'm just not pleasant with this one because she always finds a way to kill me every time. So apparently for this package, it's character killing right now, and I'm totally not looking forward to this, but this is the video. It took a bit to get here. I think because of what's going on, it's going to delay it a little bit, but you know, I'm gonna get into it because Lord, Domenica, my mailman, was careful with the package this time. They actually dropped it off at our door, so you know, thank you, mailman, for being so considerate during our time of need. And I forget Domenica wraps her stuff, so I'm not going to spoil anything for me. Okay, ooh. All right. And she did all the wrapping in yellow. I'm like living, guys. I'm living. And this is the note, but I'm living because yellow is my favorite color. Y'all should know this. I love yellow like no other. So anyways, we're going to read the note. And the note is on some very fancy paper. So let's open. All right. Happy birthday. I hope you have or had a wonderful birthday, Nyrel. This is extra squishy this year. Oh, okay. All right. So I hope you enjoy everything inside. Love, Domenica. P.S. Sorry, the mailer is huge. I couldn't find a medium size. It's all right. I love it anyway. So I am super excited to see the squishy content of this package. So if you guys are new to Domenica's packages, she has a really neat way of sending things. She wraps everything like a gift and she numbers it. And I do that with mine now because, you know, I took inspiration from her because I thought it was really logical. So I'm excited. So here is number 1 and it's labeled stickers. So I'm going to move these two out the way and not pay attention to them. So I'm like trying to not rip this because this is some really pretty yellow tissue paper. All right. And she did tell me beforehand she was not going to go heavy on the tape this year. So I'm like, thank you. Because like, I think the first couple of packages I killed her with tape. So we're just like, you know what? We're just not going to do that anymore. Because we already killed each other with the insides. Why kill us more with the tape? Alright. Okay. This is extra thick. Oh my goodness. Come on. Don't stick. Alright. Alrighty. I'm going to try to keep it this way so I won't ruin it for myself. And she wrapped it in a nice clear protector. Come on. There we go. I'm trying to be careful with this. And I'm trying to do a good job. So hopefully I succeed. Alright. So I'm going to hold them this close to the camera because I don't feel like ruining my setup. Because I'm scared too. So 1, 2, 3, and go. I know she did not send me the children. I'm so guessing this right now. But if you guys don't know, she has this species that she's making, and she already has all the children, all the parents, grandparents made, and I'm livid if this is what it is. So this is Aqua Marie. She is actually a child of the parents, which I think you're going to see. Ooh, Domenica. I know you did not. So here's the second one. This is Avery. They're so cute. And her species is called the Lumini. Hopefully I'm saying that right. The third one is it's Adrian. Look at the beautiful child. And if you notice, these characters have a color shift. I don't know if you're going to notice it from this far away, but you can see the colors shift, which I think is pretty cute. All right. Oh my God, this is the bae. This is the daddy of them all. He is daddy status. Come on, camera. You got to give daddy all his glory. Tayo is, he's a fine hunk of black. I love him. Love him lots. I love him. I love him. So anyways, here's number 5. This is the mother. This is the bae, the waifu of all these kids. She is beautiful. I freaking love her. She's so pretty. So I'm putting her here. And the next one is... oh, it's Zeri! It's Zeri! She's so cute. I love her little design here on top of her I don't want to call it a hat because it's not a hat, but on top of her little head thing, that design is actually really cute and I love it a lot. Oh, Zeri! And the 7th one is Kimpi! He's so cute. This is a new addition to her set of Lumini characters. He is adorable. And I think I'm gonna like nickname him Patches because his outfit is very patchy and his ear things are patchy. So I might call him Patches because he has a lot of patchwork on his design. And he has a crush on Zeri. He has a crush on her, a big crush on her. And the next one is, ooh, Rin! It's Rin! Okay. Come on, phone. Give them the glory. Give them the glory. All right. And the next one is, okay. We gotta prepare for this one, guys. We gotta prepare. I don't think I need to say anything about this man. His name is Ika, and that's all that's going to be said because we just don't need to say anything. We don't need to say anything about that man. All right. So the next one is, oh, it's Karage. Ooh, he's that cute baby. If you guys don't know, these are a couple. These are the OTP right here. They are so freaking cute. And the next one is, this is Choo Choo. It's Choo Choo. I'm pretty sure this is Choo Choo because I know he has a I don't know if it's his sister or what. I don't remember, but I know it's a girl version, and this is Choo Choo. I know this is Choo Choo because he's adorable. He's so cute. And this is the next one. Here's another Choo Choo. He's very lazy in this one. Very, very lazy. And then the last sticker is another Choo Choo. He's like full. I think he just ate a lot and he's just like, oh, I'm full. Like, she sent me so many stickers. I can't even. And they're all the precious children. Like, I don't even think I'm going to use them because they're all precious. Like, why ruin the unity of the family for sketchbooks? But they're so freaking cute. Domenica, you didn't even have to. Like, as soon as I saw Aquamarine, I was like, I know she did not send me the whole family, but I will treasure. And we're gonna get to the second one, which is labeled, there we go, Prince. I'm so excited. I love how this video is already 9 minutes and I did not get to the second package yet. Like, oof, I had to give the children their time. So, you know, trying to not rip this. Oof. Like, this is how you can see I suck with opening things. Because I always say I'm trying to save things and I always end up not saving it in the best condition that I want to save it in. Oh, okay. I'm trying to, like, not spoil myself at the same time. Okay, I'm going to turn it this way. All right. Okay, I'm trying to open this the best that I can. All right, that's the front. That's the second. All right. And now I just got to pull it out and try not to ruin it. Okay. All right. So, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a go. Oh, no. No. So, telling you guys, this is legit her drawing of Tayo and Luna. Look how, I'm telling you, this is the OTP. Like, look how gorge they are. My lighting is doing them no justice, but oh my word. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. It's Skippy and Terry. Skippy and Terry. Look how cute they are. They're so cute. And your digital drawings look so amazing on paper. Like, they look so well. Oh my gosh. Like, I think I'm seeing what the theme is. I think she themed it after her little luminized species. And I'm well versed in these children, so I think that's the theme here. So I got you, Domenica, because I'm thinking there's 1 or 2 characters you're going to try to kill me with. So hopefully I'm right on what I'm thinking, and most of the time when I think it's going to be what I'm thinking, it's totally not. But I'm excited. And so this is the last one, which says open me last. And it's another note. Okay, I'm gonna try to see if you guys can see it well. Okay. And this last package is a special character. We're just not. For us to share. She is a new member of the Lumini. She still needs a name and personality. She is like Kurage, except she's a female octopus. Because I know she told me she was making a new one, but I didn't know when it was coming, but that was a while ago. But you had to surprise me on my birthday, because I'm going to open it. I can't open it the way in which I want to go, because I'm going to spoil it anyway. So I'm going to try to open it this way. Okay. Come on, Irel. There we go. Alright. Come on. Alright. Okay. I'm just gonna try to rip it here so I don't have to ruin it. Okay, so I'm gonna not spoil it because markers bleed, so I can't really see anything so much. So I'm gonna try to open it. There's nothing on the front. Okay, yeah, there's nothing on the front. Alright. Alrighty, so we're going to pull her out. I'm trying to make sure I don't ruin anything. Okay, so I think I might have to switch this because I don't want to see the full one yet. I want to see what's on top. So, I'm so excited. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. She is so gorgeous. She's so pretty. Okay, so this is her hair from behind. So she has lower pigtails. If I my phone, come on phone, we got to share this moment together. All right, so that's her hair from behind, and she's a female octopus, and that's what she looks like. Oh my word. And this is her actual sketch. Like, this is not a printout. This is Domenica's precious pencil lines, which I gotta put somewhere because I don't like, you know, I honestly have an anxiety whenever I get pencil stuff from my friends because I don't want to smear it. So I'm gonna have to put this in my binder where I keep everything that's friend art related because I don't want to ruin it. But she looks so cute. I freaking love her. I love her a lot, and I'm guessing this is a full color of her. Okay. So, and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. Sucking in the moment, sucking it in, because she is like everything. I love her. I love her look, love her personality. I love what this character is giving. I don't know. I just really love her. Hat is meant to be more transparent, so you can see more of her hair color through the hat. But yeah, I got you, fam. But oh my word, like I always praise Domenica enough about her character designs because she is like so good at designing characters. As you can see from here and from here, her character designs are like off the charts, and I just love her for it. And I'm like in awe that you, Domenica. I need to stop speaking in second person, but I'm just in awe that you actually wanted to share one of your children with me, and I promise I will give her lots of love and attention because this is my first time drawing a character like this, but I will put a lot of love and lots of affection towards her because she's pretty and she's my child now. She's our child. She's our child that we made together. So I need to give our child, you know, lots of love and lots of attention. But oh, I enjoyed this a lot, and I love how it's so cohesive, and I just love that it was based off your children because she's really working really hard with this species, guys. And I actually will put Domenica's links down below because she's amazing and I love her and she's just wonderful. So I'm going to try to put all the children around the images, as you can see, because everything fits together. So if you guys want to see more of these beautiful creatures, go check out Domenica because she's awesome and her art is just amazing. I just am wowed every time she shows me any of her art. And yes, so thank you so much, Domenica, for sending me these lovely gifts for my birthday, and I love you so much. So guys, give this video a like if you liked it. Comment down what you would like to say to me or to Domenica, since this is kind of both of our video, in the comment box below, and I will see you guys in another video whenever that is. So yeah, bye guys.